turns around and the morning starts to shine, the peace that fills your soul is impossible to define. Every step that you take with a grace, as if you are connected to a higher place. Not a soul around, the world is at rest, just the birds softly singing, doing what they do best. A place where you can finally let it all go. Just to keep pushing through, just that one single moment that nobody sees or ever knew about you. Walking along the paths, you find that one sacred zone where you can finally be yourself and completely alone. So let the world keep still standing strong. Yeah, let the world keep spinning round, because in the end you're the one who has to carry it through.